This is the latest and the greatest iPad Pro 2024. It has M4 processor, M4 chip that you call Apple Silicon. This is the best processor in the market. It even beats a lot of PC processors in performance, especially in single core performance. Here is the box. You get an iPad which is extremely thin. Let's put it aside. What else you get? You get a lot of documentation, one USB-C cable. This is braided cable. Then you get a 20-watt charger. This is a USB-C charger. But this iPad can take more power than this brick can provide. So you can use a 60-watt power brick to get it charged faster than this one can. So let me peel it off. This is the iPad. This is all new, very thin. New design of camera. There is only one camera and a very nice LED flash. This particular camera is focused on document PDF conversion. Apple has improved it a lot in that regard. You can make PDF out of a documents that you click photos with, and it will be very nice. Good technology. So front camera has moved to the center of the horizontal position, and this has led to change in the internals of this iPad, and the earlier pencils which used to be compatible with the other iPads are now not compatible with this iPad. This Apple Pencil Generation 2 is not compatible with this iPad 2024 M4. So the magnet is working, but you see when I put it here, it is not charging. So it will not charge because they had to reinvent the circuitry around it, because the magnets from this pencil might have caused a lot of disturbances in the camera. So for this iPad Pro M4, you have to buy a new keyboard cover. The older ones won't work. New Apple Pencil. So all the accessories of this you need to buy new. So I have already set it up. You can see there are two speakers, one USB-C. This is very thin. There are two grills here also. There are less number of microphones compared to the earlier generation. They have incorporated cooling solution in this Apple logo also, and because the M4 chip is very powerful, they had to do something to dissipate the heat. I don't know how they are going to manage the thermals in this 5.4-inch slim architecture. So now let me switch it on. What you see is a tandem OLED screen. There are two OLEDs stacked on top of each other. What used to happen with one single OLED layer is that they could not get the peak brightness up, because it is really difficult to get high brightness from a single OLED screen. So what Apple did is to provide one OLED screen on top of another OLED screen, and now the peak brightness is going up to 1600. And because it is OLED, the blacks are the deepest and there is infinite contrast ratio. So this screen is amazing. This gives approximately 18 to 20 hour battery life. So battery is same from the earlier models, but this has a M4 processor which is more efficient than the earlier M2 processor which was there in the earlier Pro generation of the iPads. It has 120 Hz screen. So for gaming or anything, editing videos, watching movies, this is the latest and the greatest device available on the market. iPad Pro 2024 with M4 chip. This M4 chip is not yet available on even the MacBooks. They will come in the future generation of MacBooks. So this is a unique opportunity where Apple has released their silicon on an iPad. What are the odds of that? The iPad has the best chip of Apple at this moment, especially iPad Pro. So this was a brief overview and unboxing of iPad Pro. Let me know if you want a comprehensive review of this product. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.